Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the pinnacle of luxury at this exquisite 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa. Elegantly situated at Pelican Point, this residence sits along the shores of Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, harmonizing luxury living with coastal charm. With spacious bedrooms and state-of-the-art bathrooms, each space exudes an air of refreshment, elegance, and comfort. Enjoy the privilege of direct access to a private beach and the convenience of a standby generator, water heater, pool, and countless amenities to ensure your comfort. This villa is not just a home, it is a testament to the beauty of Jamaica's southern coast. The land area is approximately 29,393 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1.8 million, or Jamaican $277 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.